Hello all students, welcome to the video, and this week we talk about flowchart, how to make flowchart for programming. In the process of programming, to represent our idea or the sequence of program, we usually use a diagram called flowchart to represent the work. Then we have to know how to read flowchart and to write flowchart diagram before starting programming. You can just try to Google and look for flowchart symbol in Google maybe, and you can see that there are several symbols. For example, symbol to represent start and end point, arrows, input, output, process, and decision. As you can see it here, which I get it from Google, and the link is from SmartDraw. And SmartDraw actually is a tool to draw diagram, including flowchart. So, as I said, that the flowchart is to represent the process of working. Now I prepare a paper here with pen, so I will start writing to show you how it works for drawing flowchart. Before writing, you have to understand how to read a flowchart, so I try to search for some easy programming process. Google saying binary to decimal flowchart. Okay, is there any? Let's see, this one is the right one. Seems like there are many of them. This one is binary to Okay, let's see this. This flowchart is to convert a binary number to a decimal number. Okay, I'll show you on the screen. So here, I hope you can see it. Start binary to decimal. This is the starting point, and the end point is here. Stop. Here, stop. Starting point and stop here. And in between the arrow, second step saying get binary number. So this is the process. Actually, you can use another symbol. I think we can see it here. You can use this symbol input and output for getting binary number, but this photo showing using process is not wrong exactly, but it is better to use this input symbol here for display and input. So and then you make flag D0 and power to 0, and then check whether B is greater than 0 or not. If yes, then you starting making loop for conversion. So here is the process to convert it. And then the last one, say the answer is D. The answer is D. Then this D here, it's supposed to be output symbol. It look like input, which is look like this. Look like this. This is input output. You should use this type symbol. So this is how we read it. And here it is actually decision. So it must be yes and no. If yes, then what? And then no, then doing something else. Here it says the same. See, yes here and no here, doing different thing. Okay, and then getting to the same process and then loop. This is how we read the flowchart. There's a starting point and there's the end point. There is process, there is input, there is output, there is decision, there's the yes decision, and there's no decision. And then what to do next? Okay. So this is what we have to understand. What is process? What is decision making? What is the input and what is output? And actually input and output is a subset of process. So like this is not wrong, but it is better to use input and output symbol, which look like this. So input and output is a kind of process, but they separate to make it clear that this process is actually to display or to get a value. Okay, so this is how we complete it, read it, and you can find different sample of flowchart. For example, temperature conversion flowchart. So you can see there are many. Let's try this one. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so if it is F or if it is C, then they convert into Fahrenheit or Celsius degree, or else there is an error, and then they end to display. So this is very easy, simple, very easy flowchart. Start, and then if the item is F, which different capital F or small f, capital C or small c, and then if else, then it is error. And here there's process. This is how we read it.